Good evening. So what we are trying to do here is to upload any assignment, return any assignment or hand it over to the teacher. So today we are going to start by taking a particular classroom and try and upload an assignment there. So the student here is Shivanya Gupta. Shivanya, can you please go to class 3 CBSE Maths? Once we are here, this is the student's classroom. What we are seeing here is a list of all the activities that are done in classes. The students that are here are Ali, Devisha, Meethi and Surya. Everything about their classes are in this place. Let us go to classwork right now. Now we can see that only one homework is posted here. The topic, till the time we do not click on that homework, we see the topic as homework on 4-digit numbers. Now the student will obviously click on homework on 4-digit numbers. Once it is clicked, it shows assigned. We will go to view assignment. We will first see our homework. Can we click on maths.homework PNG to see the homework? The homework will be visible like this. Let us go back and try to upload our homework. We assume that the homework is done and it is saved in our desktop. So we will go to add or create. Let us go to add. Now since the homework is done in a file, we'll be selecting file here. We select file from our device. Go to the place where we have saved our file. Now we'll upload it. Now once we have uploaded it, we can type a comment below. Please type a comment below that handing over the assignment. Private comments, handing over the assignment. You have to press the type in button, click on the type in button to submit the homework. Can we click on the turn in button, the blue color button, Shivanya? Turn in. We can now see that you have another option called unsubmit. If you have made any mistake, then you can similarly follow the same steps and unsubmit your homework. Let us go back to my classroom again and go to the home page, stream page of 3 CBSE Maths and see what it shows right now. Let's go to classwork. Let us click and we can see that it is showing turned in. So this is how we submit our homework or any assignment in Google Classroom. If any doubt, please let us know.